Welcome to Alert24, the all-in-one platform for monitoring, incident management, and status pages. Alert24 replaces 3 separate tools with one unified platform. Monitor your services, respond to incidents, communicate with customers, and improve with analytics. Getting started takes less than 5 minutes. First, create your organization and give it a name. Type your company name and a URL slug is auto-generated for your public status page. Next, choose what you want to set up: monitoring, status pages, incident response, or all 3. And just like that, your organization is ready. The dashboard shows your setup progress and recommended next steps. The monitoring dashboard shows all your checks at a glance: uptime percentages, response times, and real-time status for every service. When something goes wrong, Alert24 tracks every incident with severity levels, status updates, and full timeline history. Each incident has a detailed timeline showing when it was detected, acknowledged, and resolved. Post-incident reviews help your team learn and improve. On-call schedules ensure someone is always available. Set up rotations, overrides, and vacation coverage. Escalation policies define what happens when an incident is not acknowledged. Use the simple step editor or the advanced visual workflow builder. Start from one of 8 pre-built templates: severity routing, business hours, parallel teams, and more. The Visual Workflow Builder lets you create complex escalation flows with drag and drop, parallel paths, conditional branching, repeat loops, and automatic status page updates. No competitor offers this. Status pages keep your customers informed. They update automatically when your monitoring detects an issue. The Analytics dashboard gives you the data to improve: mean time to resolve, incident frequency, severity breakdowns, and uptime trends. Incident heat maps show when problems happen most. Service reliability scores highlight your weakest links. Start monitoring in under 5 minutes. Alert24 is free to start at alert24.net.